parked here. Now we will loaded all the cars in our truck. Wow, what is this? This is a carriage truck. Friends, this carriage truck is very powerful. Wow, what is this? This is a jeep car. Look friends, it looks so cute guys. Let's put it here. See what else is here guys. Wow, this is a police car. Let's keep it in the car guys. Let's see what else is here. Wow, look friends, this is a drug line excavator. Friends, this drug line excavator is very powerful guys. Wow, what is this? This is a wheel excavator. Friends, it looks so cute. It's very beautiful. Wow, what is this? This is a monster car. Friends, let's put it here. See what else is here guys. Wow, this is a garbage truck. Friends, this car work to clean the city. It's very nice. Wow, what is this? This is a loader. Friends, this loader is very powerful. Wow guys, wow. What is this? This is a bullet train. Friends, this bullet train move very fast. What is this? This is a cement mixer truck. Friends, cement can be mixed very easily with this car. What is this? This is a police motorbike. Guys, look, it looks awesome. Wow, what is this? This is a Tata Sumo car. Guys, look how beautiful this car. Wow, this is a water tank canner truck. Wow, what a beautiful car. It looks so beautiful. Wow, this is a jeep car. Friends, this jeep car is very nice. Wow, friends, this is a dump truck. Wow, it looks so cute. It's very nice. Let's see what else is here. Friends, this is a cement mixer truck. Friends, cement can be mixed very easily with this car. What is this? This is a robot car. Look friends, look, it's very nice. Wow, guys, this is a helicopter. Wow, what a beautiful helicopter. It's so beautiful. Wow, what is this? This is a police motorbike. Friends, let's spot it here. See what else is here, guys. Wow, friends, look. Friends, here is another drug line excavator. Friends, this dragline excavator is very powerful. Wow, what is this? This is a luxury bus. Wow, it looks so cute, guys. Let's party it here. See what else is here, guys. Guys, look, this is a speed car. Let's keep it in the car, guys. Let's see what else is here. Guys, look, this is a Thomas train. Wow, what a beautiful this train. It looks so beautiful. What is this? This is a drum truck. Friends, wanted this drum used to carry the sand. Wow, this is a double-decker bus. Guys, look, it looks awesome. Let's party it here. Guys, look, this is a fire service car. Friends, let's keep it in the car, guys. Let's see what else is here. Wow, guys, look, this is a ambulance car. Friends, people are taken to hospital with this car. Friends, look, this is a cover van. Guys, let's party it here. See what else is here, guys. Look, friends, look, this is a oil tanker truck. Guys, this car carries oil. It's very nice. Look, friends, look, what is this? This is a big RC bus. Friends, it looks so cute. Friends, we loaded all the cars in our truck. Let's go.